Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in Hejazi News Update. Viewers, Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir was on Tuesday promoted to the rank of Field Marshal for successfully leading the armed forces during the recent conflict with India. A Field Marshal is the highest rank in the army above the rank of General. It is a 5-star officer, the most senior rank in the army. The rank of Field Marshal is often conferred as an honorary title, recognizing exceptional service and contributions to national defense. Field marshals are typically recognized for their outstanding service, particularly in times of war or national crisis. They demonstrate exceptional leadership, strategic vision, and decision-making skill. The rank of Field Marshal is rarely conferred in Pakistan, with only 2 individuals having received this honor so far: General Ayub Khan in 1959 and General Asim Munir in 2025. This rank carries eminence, prestige, and respect, symbolizing the individual's exceptional contributions to national defense and security.